Hello students, so today we are going to discuss from the exercise concept check 5c the word problems based on the addition of unlike fractions. So the first question here is a box of beads contains 44 by 15 red beads and 16 by 30 blue beads. What fraction of all the beads is red and blue beads? So in a box, this much fraction of red beads are there and this much fraction of blue beads are there. You have to find out what is the total number total fraction of beads including red and blue together. So obviously, as you have understood the question, you have to find out the total fraction of beads including both red and blue. So that means I have to find out the sum of these two numbers. So as the question says, fraction of red beads is given as 4 by 15 and fraction of blue beads is given 16 by 30. So you have to find out the total fraction of red and blue beads, which will be the sum of these two, that is 4 by 15 plus 16 by 30. And as we have already done in the first two questions of addition of unlike fractions, that first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So here I find out the LCM of the denominators and I get it as 30. So that means I have to make both the denominators as 30. So how can I do for this one, 4 by 15? In this case we will write it in one step only. We will not do as previously, like we have first converted, then again we have added. So I'll do in serially in the one line only. Forget about this fraction. Look at this first fraction, 4 by 15. You have to make it 30 in the denominator. So I should multiply 2 with 15 so that I get 30, but I have to multiply 2 here also. So now in the next fraction it is already 30, so I'll multiply 1 in numerator and denominator. So I get 4 to the 8 by 30 and here 16 by 30. Now the fractions is converted to like fractions. So 30 is the common denominator, that is 30 here, and 8 plus 16, that is 24. Now as I said, if a fraction is reducible in lowest term, then you have to do it. So 24 and 30 are both divisible by the same factor, that is 6. You can start with 2 also, you can start with 3 also, but as I have already explained in the earlier classes when we were doing this convert the fractions into lowest term, I have told you that it is better if you can do it in one step only. How can you understand how to do it in one step? Suppose if I start with 2, it will again go by 3 also. So how will you understand that in one step? How can I finish it? I said you in the previous class in first exercise, I think, that to find out the largest common factor, you find the HCF of these two numbers. So say if you find out the HCF of these two numbers, then you get this way: 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 5s are, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Sorry, I'm doing the LCM here. I'm extremely sorry. So you have to find out the HCF. Okay, I'm showing it here. So the numerator is 24 and the denominator is 30 here. So if I find out the HCF, 2 12s are, 2 15s are, and then comes 2 3 4s are and 3 5s are. So no more divisible. So 2 into 3, 6. So you get your divisor 6. Or if you don't want to do it like this, you can simply do it in your way, that is step by step. That is 24 by 30 is there. So you can first say start with 2 divided by 2. So you get 12 by 15. Then again you can continue with 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So you ultimately get the same answer. But if you can do it in one go, in one step, then it is good for you only, then you will save your time, but that's up to your choice. So ultimately the answer is 4 by 5. Okay, next question. B number I have not done, it's all same only here. A milk can had this much liter of milk and the milkman added this much more liter. That means this much milk was already there, and with this quantity of milk has been added more. So what is the total milk now? So you have to add these two numbers. So I have not done this, you can do it yourself. I am going to the third one. A triathlon race. Triathlon race means a race involving 3 different types of races. Like here it is involving swimming, cycling and running race. So this is called a triathlon race. Means in this case there are 3 different types of race every participant will run. So in the race, if the participants have to swim they have to do 2 1 by 4 kilometer. For cycling they have to cycle 4 7 by 12 kilometer, and for running they have to run 6 3 by 8 kilometer. Then what is the total distance covered by the participants? This much kilometer by swimming, this much kilometer by cycling, and this much by running. So total distance will be the sum of all these 3. So distance covered by swimming 2 1 by 4. Now because this is in mixed fraction, you have to convert into improper fraction. 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 by 4. And then by cycling this one, 12 4 is 48 plus 7 55 by 12. And then by running 6 3 by 8 8 6 is 48 plus 3 51 by 8. So now I will add all these three. So again the same step, you have to find the LCM. So after finding the LCM, I get the LCM as 24. So I have to convert all of them to 24. So first one, this, to convert 4 as 24 I have to multiply 6. So I multiply 6 here also. Then for 12 I'll multiply 2, I'll multiply 2 here also. And for 8 I'll multiply 3, I'll multiply 3 here also. So see, 4 6 is 24, 9 6 is 54, 12 2 is 24, 55 2 is 110, and so on. This one also in this way. So now you have got the like fractions. So now straight away you can add the numerators, and after adding them you get 317 by 24. Now 24 and 317 do not have any common factor, so you cannot reduce them. So because it's a mixed fraction, improper fraction, so let me convert it into mixed fraction again. So I've done the division here. 24 1s are 24, remainder 7, 77, 24 3s are 72, remainder 5. So 5 will become the numerator, this will become the denominator. So 13 5 by 4 kilometer is your answer. So this is answer number C. Number D is also of the same type. It is said that a tailor bought 3 1 by 4 meter of red cloth and 2 1 by 2 meter of white cloth and 3 by 8 meter of blue cloth. So 3 different types of cloth he has brought. What is the total, how much cloth did the tailor buy in all? That means in total how much cloth he has bought. So you have to add all the 3 lengths. So length of red cloth is this, converted into mixed improper fraction. 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13. For white cloth 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5, and this is already in normal form, so I'm not doing anything here. Now again these 3 fractions I'll take and I'll find out the LCM, which is 8. So convert them all to 8. 4 into 2 will give you 8, so 13 2 is 26. 2 into 4 will give you 8, so 5 4 is 20, and here it is already 8, so 8 1 is 8, 3 1 is 3. Now adding the numerators, 26 plus 20 plus 3, and denominator is 8. I get 49 by 8. They also do not have any common factors, so you cannot divide them. So I'll convert them into mixed fraction now. 8 6 is 48, 9 minus 8 1, so 6 1 by 8 is the answer. So this is how you do it. This is all same as the addition that you have done in question number 1 and 2. So I have done 3 of them, 1 is left, so you can do it yourself. So this is the end of this exercise. Next we will move to, in the next class we will move to subtraction of unlike fractions. Thank you.